Let's delve into the fascinating world of cloves and uncover some of the mind-blowing benefits that you might not have known about. Stick around until the end of the video to know the secret sexual benefits of cloves. From boosting your immune system to potentially fighting cancer, cloves have a lot to offer beyond their culinary uses. One of the most impressive aspects of cloves is their incredibly high antioxidant content. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect our cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. This damage, known as oxidative stress, is linked to various chronic diseases and accelerated aging. Cloves contain a variety of potent antioxidants, including eugenol, which is responsible for much of their therapeutic properties. In fact, cloves have been found to have higher antioxidant activity than many other spices and even some fruits and vegetables. This means that incorporating cloves into your diet could help combat oxidative stress and potentially reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. But the benefits of cloves don't stop there. This spice has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a wide range of ailments, and modern science is now catching up to confirm many of these traditional uses. For instance, cloves have been shown to have powerful antimicrobial properties, making them effective against various bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. This antimicrobial action is particularly beneficial for oral health. Clove oil has long been used as a natural remedy for toothaches, and for good reason. The eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic and has anti-inflammatory properties, helping to numb pain and reduce swelling. But beyond just providing temporary relief, cloves can actually help fight the bacteria that cause tooth decay and gum disease. Some studies have even suggested that clove-based masks could be as effective as commercial options in reducing plaque and gingivitis. The antimicrobial benefits of cloves extend beyond just oral health, though. Research has shown that extracts can be effective against foodborne pathogens like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. This suggests that cloves could potentially be used as a natural food preservative, helping to keep food fresh and safe for longer periods without the need for artificial additives. Another fascinating benefit of cloves is their potential to improve liver health. The liver is one of our body's most important organs, responsible for filtering toxins, producing bile, and storing energy. Unfortunately, our modern lifestyles, including poor diet, excessive alcohol consumption, and exposure to environmental toxins, can put a lot of stress on our livers. This is where cloves come in. Studies have shown that clove extracts can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins. In animal studies, clove extracts were found to significantly reduce markers of liver damage and improve liver function. While more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans, these findings suggest that cloves could be a valuable addition to a liver-supportive diet. But the benefits of cloves don't stop at physical health. This aromatic spice may also have positive effects on our cognitive function and mental well-being. Some research suggests that the compounds in cloves could help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Moreover, the scent of cloves has been found to have mood-enhancing properties. Aromatherapy with clove oil has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, promote relaxation, and even improve sleep quality. This makes cloves not just a tasty addition to your food, but also a potential natural remedy for stress and sleep issues. Speaking of taste, let's not forget the culinary benefits of cloves. While we're focusing on the health aspects, it's worth noting that cloves can add a wonderful depth of flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Their warm, slightly sweet, and subtly bitter taste pairs well with a wide range of ingredients, from fruits and desserts to meats and stews. By incorporating more cloves into your cooking, you're not just enhancing the flavor of your food, but also boosting its nutritional value. Another remarkable benefit of cloves is their potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly important given the rising rates of diabetes and prediabetes worldwide. Several studies have found that clove extracts can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. One study even found that clove extract had a similar blood sugar lowering effect to a common diabetes medication. This blood sugar regulating effect is thought to be due to the presence of certain compounds in cloves that mimic the action of insulin in the body. By helping to control blood sugar levels, cloves could potentially play a role in preventing or managing type 2 diabetes. Of course, it's important to note that cloves should not be used as a replacement for prescribed diabetes medications, but rather as a complementary approach under the guidance of a healthcare professional. The benefits of cloves extend to heart health as well. Cardiovascular disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but incorporating cloves into your diet could potentially help reduce your risk. Cloves have been found to have cholesterol-lowering properties, which is crucial for heart health. High levels of LDL bad cholesterol are a major risk factor for heart disease, and studies have shown that clove extracts can help reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL good cholesterol. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves could also benefit heart health. Chronic inflammation is a key driver of many diseases, including heart disease. By reducing inflammation in the body, cloves may help protect against the development and progression of cardiovascular problems. But the heart-healthy benefits of cloves don't stop there. This spice has also been found to have blood-thinning properties, which could potentially help prevent the formation of dangerous blood clots. However, it's important to note that if you're already taking blood-thinning medications, you should consult with your doctor before significantly increasing your clove intake, as there could be interactions. Another area where cloves show promise is in cancer prevention and treatment. While much more research is needed in this area, early studies have shown some exciting potential. The high antioxidant content of cloves helps protect cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancer. Additionally, some studies have found that clove extracts can induce cell death apoptosis in cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. One particularly interesting study found that clove extract was able to slow the growth of several types of human cancer cells in laboratory tests. While these results are preliminary and based on lab studies rather than human trials, they suggest that cloves could potentially play a role in cancer prevention strategies in the future. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves also make them potentially beneficial for individuals with inflammatory conditions like arthritis. Chronic inflammation can cause pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joints, significantly impacting quality of life. The eugenol in cloves has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects, potentially helping to reduce pain and swelling associated with arthritis. Some people with arthritis find relief by applying clove oil topically to affected joints or by consuming cloves as part of their diet. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of cloves on arthritis, the existing evidence suggests that this spice could be a valuable addition to an anti-inflammatory diet. Cloves may also have benefits for digestive health. In traditional medicine, cloves have long been used to treat various digestive issues, including nausea, bloating, and excessive gas. Modern research is beginning to support some of these traditional uses. For instance, studies have found that clove oil can help increase the production of digestive enzymes, potentially improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of cloves could help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. An imbalance in gut bacteria, known as dysbiosis, has been linked to various health issues, from digestive problems to mood disorders. By helping to combat harmful bacteria in the gut, cloves could potentially support overall digestive and immune health. Another fascinating area of research on cloves involves their potential effects on bone health. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones, affects millions of people worldwide, particularly older adults. Some studies have suggested that compounds in cloves could help preserve bone mass and strength. One study found that animals given clove extracts had significantly higher bone density compared to those that didn't receive the extracts. While human studies are needed to confirm these effects, these findings suggest that cloves could potentially be beneficial for maintaining strong bones as we age. The benefits of cloves also extend to skin health. The high antioxidant content of cloves can help protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation and environmental pollutants. This could potentially help prevent premature aging of the skin, including the formation of wrinkles and age spots. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of cloves make them potentially useful for treating acne and other skin infections. Some people use clove oil as a natural spot treatment for pimples, although it's important to dilute the oil properly to avoid skin irritation. Cloves may also have benefits for respiratory health. In traditional medicine, cloves have been used to treat coughs, colds, and other respiratory issues. The expectorant properties of cloves can help loosen and expel mucus, potentially providing relief from congestion and coughs. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of cloves could help fight respiratory infections. Some people find relief from sore throats by gargling with warm water infused with clove, while others use clove tea to soothe coughs and congestion. Another intriguing benefit of cloves is their potential to boost the immune system. A strong immune system is crucial for protecting our bodies against various pathogens and diseases. The high vitamin C content of cloves, along with other antioxidants, can help strengthen the immune system and increase the body's resistance to infections. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of cloves can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, potentially reducing the risk of infections. Some studies have even suggested that clove extracts could enhance the activity of certain immune cells, further boosting the body's defense mechanisms. Cloves may also have benefits for weight management. management. While they're not a magic solution for weight loss, incorporating cloves into a healthy diet could potentially support weight loss efforts. Some studies have suggested that the compounds in cloves can help boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Additionally, the blood sugar regulating effects of cloves could help control cravings and prevent overeating. By helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, cloves may help reduce the sudden hunger pangs and energy crashes that can lead to unhealthy snacking. Another area where cloves show promise is in promoting healthy hair growth. The nutrients in cloves, including vitamins and minerals, can nourish the hair follicles and promote stronger, healthier hair. Some people use clove oil as a scalp treatment, believing it can stimulate blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. Moreover, the antimicrobial properties of cloves could help combat dandruff and other scalp conditions caused by fungal infections. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of cloves on hair health, many people swear by clove-based hair treatments. Cloves may also have benefits for eye health. The high antioxidant content of cloves can help protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. This could potentially reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. Some studies have also suggested that clove extracts could help reduce the progression of diabetic retinopathy, a complication of diabetes that can lead to vision loss. While more research is needed in this area, these findings highlight the potential wide-ranging benefits of this remarkable spice. It's worth noting that while cloves offer numerous potential health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation. Like many potent natural substances, excessive consumption of cloves can lead to side effects. These may include increased bleeding risk, lowered blood sugar levels, and in rare cases, liver damage. As always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before significantly increasing your intake of any herb or spice, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Now, let's delve into a less commonly discussed but equally fascinating aspect of cloves: their potential sexual benefits. Throughout history, cloves have been used in various cultures as an aphrodisiac and to enhance sexual performance. While scientific research in this area is limited, there are some intriguing findings and traditional uses worth exploring. One of the primary ways cloves may benefit sexual health is through their ability to improve blood circulation. Good blood flow is crucial for sexual function in both men and women. The eugenol in cloves has been found to have vasodilating properties, meaning it can help widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. This improved circulation could potentially enhance sexual arousal and performance. For men, this improved blood flow could potentially help with erectile function. Some traditional medicine systems have long used cloves as a natural remedy for erectile dysfunction. While more research is needed to confirm these effects, the circulation-boosting properties of cloves provide a plausible mechanism for this traditional use. Cloves may also have benefits for testosterone levels in men. Some animal studies have found that clove extracts can increase testosterone production. Testosterone is crucial for male sexual function, as well as overall health and well-being. While human studies are needed to confirm these effects, these findings suggest another potential way that cloves could support sexual health. For women, the increased blood flow promoted by cloves could potentially enhance sensitivity and arousal. Some people claim that the scent of cloves alone can act as an aphrodisiac, stimulating desire. While the aphrodisiac effects of scents are largely subjective and can vary from person to person, there's no denying the sensual, warming aroma of cloves. The stress-reducing properties of cloves could also indirectly benefit sexual health. Stress and anxiety are common culprits behind sexual dysfunction, affecting both desire and performance. By promoting relaxation and potentially reducing stress, cloves could help create a more conducive mental state for sexual activity. Some traditional practices involve using clove oil as a massage oil to enhance sensuality and arousal. The warming sensation produced by clove oil on the skin can increase sensitivity and promote relaxation. However, it's crucial to note that clove oil should always be properly diluted before applying to the skin, as it can cause irritation if used undiluted. In some traditional medicine systems, cloves are believed to have fertility-enhancing properties. While scientific evidence for this is limited, the overall health benefits of cloves, including their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, could potentially support reproductive health. It's important to note that while cloves may offer potential sexual benefits, they should not be viewed as a cure-all for sexual issues. Many factors contribute to sexual health and function, including overall physical health, mental well-being, relationship dynamics, and lifestyle factors. If you're experiencing persistent sexual health issues, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Moreover, it's crucial to use cloves responsibly, especially when it comes to sexual health. Avoid applying clove oil or other clove preparations directly to sensitive genital areas without proper guidance, as this could cause irritation or adverse reactions. In conclusion, cloves offer a fascinating array of potential health benefits, from supporting heart and liver health to potentially enhancing sexual function. While more research is needed to fully understand and confirm many of these effects, The existing evidence suggests that this humble spice deserves more attention in our diets and health practices. Whether you're sprinkling cloves into your cooking, enjoying a cup of clove tea, or exploring their use in natural remedies, there are many ways to incorporate this powerful spice into your life. As with any natural remedy or supplement, it's always best to start with small amounts and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. The world of natural remedies is vast and fascinating, and cloves are just one example of the incredible potential hidden in the plants and spices we've used for centuries. As we continue to explore and understand these natural wonders, who knows what other mind-blowing benefits we might discover. The humble clove, with its rich aroma and potent compounds, serves as a reminder of the healing power of nature and the importance of looking beyond the surface to uncover the true potential of the foods and spices we consume every day. Did you find this video helpful and exciting? Here is another video you can watch that's even better. Even if that doesn't interest you, then here's one more. Subscribe and hit the bell icon as well.